So the test is with the screen record. Now I've done the cache thing before and that didn't seem to solve it, because after a couple of goes it just comes back again. So I thought what I'll do in this test is I want to turn them on at the same time. Okay. So this is my old one and this is my new one. And hopefully you can see the screen, because could be the problem. Obviously I got the light above me. So they're both coming on. Funny enough, my old one come on first, whereas the new one is still ticking in. Okay, so all I've got to do is scroll down from the top left. Okay, that's just changed. Right. Okay. It's not as easy as you think. I'm just going to do this one first. Okay, so I know straight away that that one's not working. And this one will be the same. So they're both not working because they're not highlighted. But my mate Nick, who sent me a message, said, Shaun, scroll down, leave it like that for about 45 seconds. And that will highlight itself. So I thought, okay, well I've got two of them. What better than to test it out to see if it works? Okay, so that one's ready. And this one's ready. So I didn't time that, but I would have said, as Nick, because obviously Nick's given the information, it's about 45 seconds. So guys, at the moment, there's obviously no fix. There's a bug on the system. Hopefully DJI are working on it. I just thought I'd put this up now, just to save you, keep emptying out your cache. Yeah. So, turn it off. Hope you found that useful. I've got to thank Nick for that. This is one thing I love about this channel. I get lots of people giving me information. As always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.